Lately, I have been seeing the cutest stamped overlays that you just use a printer and you print it on some plain paper. And I finally decided to give it a shot. I finally got around to it and I'm really, really excited to show you guys. So here we go. What you're gonna need is some either like coffee dyed paper, which is what this is. You can also use patterned paper. Don't ask why this border is so big. I'm using a pink one today. And then I'm also using some of my grungy printables, which just come in a pack of 12 that just look like vintage, papers. They're really cute. I'll attach a photo. But yeah, they're amazing. And I'm going to be using all of them today to show you guys kind of what to do, how to do it. So in the kit I made, I'll pull up my laptop here. Let's see if you guys can see this. You can kind of see me a little bit. All right, so you'll get it. I know this is bad quality, but there's a grayscale overlays and they're really cute, guys. I threw in some fun ones, the Eiffel Tower here and this. I also threw in some like sepia brown overlays. They're all the same patterns, but just in case you want one or the other. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to load my paper up into the printer and select the ones I want, and then we'll just print them and I'll just kind of show you the finished product. I'll start off with this pink one since this is an experiment for me. Okay guys, I did print it on the wrong side. Still really cute, but let me just try again. Okay, and here is the pink paper. It is so cute. I also really just like the white, so you can just print these on white paper as well. That's a good one to show you. And then the pink paper is adorable. Okay, I'm just gonna keep going and I'll just show you guys the final results. Next up is this coffee dyed paper. And here is the finished result on that. This actually really does look like super duper, like legit. Like a really old stamped paper. I might do something on the back as well with that later just because that is so cool. And then finally I have 5, I believe. Here's the befores of these papers from my Etsy. And here is the after. Guys, I love this. I just love the extra detail it adds. I think this page is one of my favorites because I just like the neutral kind of look and I love the botanical look. Really cute. I did a little map on this piece, which turned out amazing. So I added the writing on this cracked paper. And then this is just a grayscale overlay. Really cute and just very detailed. So I'll show you all of them at once. I trimmed all the edges, of course. Here's the pink one. It kind of turned out fun. No complaints there. Oh, and that's what it's like on a white background, so you can always use that as well. And then this one. So after doing this, I really do recommend the coffee dyed paper. I think it gives it the most realistic effect just because it's already really grungy and the paper's not quite straight. But then after that, I really recommend finding, vintage papers around the house or papers you already have, such as this kit that kind of already like have the coffee dyed look. And then colored papers could be really fun, but either way, just a really good way to add variety to your projects. So everything is linked below, and you guys, these are just really fun, and I love that it just changed up my regular routine for junk journaling and gave me the opportunity to try something new, and I hope you guys enjoy it as well. I just really love all of the different variety of things that you can do with these, whether you print them on plain paper, colored paper, coffee dyed paper, papers you already have, or anything. It's just a really fun project, and I hope you guys enjoy and have a lovely week. Thank you for watching, and we will see you next time.